Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Dunn. We're talking about subsets today. So what I want you to learn from this screencast is I want you to learn the definition of a subset. We're going to identify a proper subset. Those are different. And we're going to find the number of subsets, the number of distinct subsets from a certain set. All right, the definition of a subset is set A is a subset of set B, symbolized by A is a subset of B, if and only if all the elements of A are also elements of set B. So, for example, consider these sets A, B, C, and D. B is considered a subset of A because A and E are in set A. Same thing with C. What I want you to take note of is D is also a subset of A. Do you notice that D is equal to A, but D is also a subset? That's exactly where you have to be careful when you're talking about proper subsets. So let's look at this next screen. So the definition of a proper subset is the same as that definition before, meaning that all of the elements of A are also elements of B, but there's this added restriction that A is not allowed to be equal to B. So, for example, those same sets, B is a proper subset of A. This is how you say that, proper subset. If there's no line under there, you say proper subset. So, B is a proper subset of A because A and E are in A, but B is not equal to A. Same thing with C. C is a subset of A, a proper subset. All these elements are in A, but they're not equal. Now, D is not a proper subset of A because these subsets are equal to each other. So just to make sure this is clear, D is a subset of A, it's just not a proper subset. Okay, now let's talk about the number of subsets. So let's consider this. Suppose your favorite pizza toppings were pepperoni, sausage, and mushrooms. How many different pizzas could be made? So imagine that you're calling some restaurant to order a pizza, and the only toppings they have are pepperoni, sausage, and mushrooms. How many different pizzas could be ordered? Give it a thought. See if you can come up with all the different subsets. So, think about it. We could have 3 different pizzas that have one topping on them. Just pepperoni, just sausage, just mushroom. There are 3 pizzas that have 2 toppings, pepperoni and sausage, sausage and mushroom, or pepperoni and mushroom. Now, these are the 2 pizzas people forget. Don't forget we could have all the toppings, pepperoni, sausage, and mushrooms. And don't forget there's some people that don't like any toppings on their pizza. So that would be the empty set. So from this set, pepperoni, sausage, mushrooms, there are 8 different subsets, 8 distinct subsets. Don't forget that the empty set is a subset of any set. So the definition, the number of distinct subsets of a finite set A is 2 to the n. This is the formula, where n is the number of elements in set A. So if I go back, remember there are 3 elements in this set. So 2 to the 3rd is 8. That's why we got 8 different pizzas. So what if there were 4 different toppings? The number of distinct subsets would be 2 to the 4th, because there are 4 toppings. 2 to the 4th is 16. Okay, that's all there is to it. Good luck.